15 useful home remedies to prevent hangovers. Although hangovers usually go away on their own within 24 hours. This is not the case for all people. So treating the symptoms can help you feel better. After going out to a party on weekends or evenings and drinking some alcohol-laden drinks. Physical and psychological symptoms the next morning are called a hangover. Common symptoms of a hangover include rapid heart rate, anxiety, body aches, dizziness, bad breath, headache, lethargy, nausea, photophobia, sensitivity to loud sounds, irritability, fatigue, abdominal pain, irregular motor skills, and vomiting. Different people have different symptoms. Although most hangovers go away on their own within 24 hours. This is only the case for some people. So treating the symptoms can help you feel better. Let's see what you can do with these home remedies to cure hangover symptoms. 1. Water. The easiest way to get rid of hangover symptoms is to drink lots of water. Consuming too much alcohol causes dehydration in the body. Dehydration causes problems like headaches, fatigue, and dizziness. So to correct the dehydration caused by alcohol, drink water regularly and rehydrate the body. It also helps in removing the accumulated waste in your stomach. 2. Honey. Honey is also a good remedy for hangover symptoms. The potassium content in honey helps reduce the negative effects of excessive alcohol consumption. Honey contains fructose, a form of sugar that helps the body metabolize excess alcohol, reducing hangover symptoms. 3. Ginger. A great tried and true remedy for hangover symptoms is ginger. This is because ginger aids in the digestion of alcohol, soothes the stomach, and provides quick relief. 4. Bananas. Drinking too much can deplete potassium in your body. Eating bananas is an easy way to replace potassium and lost electrolytes. Many foods are high in potassium. Bananas help soothe the stomach and increase energy. 5. Tomato juice. Another simple remedy to relieve hangover symptoms is to drink tomato juice. Tomato juice contains fructose, another form of the same sugar found in honey. It helps the body metabolize alcohol quickly. 6. Eggs contain the amino acid cysteine. They help to clear acetaldehyde from your body. When you drink too much, the body can't convert acetaldehyde quickly enough. This causes them to mix in the blood. Excess acetaldehyde in the blood can cause headaches, sweating, nausea, and vomiting. Eggs can be eaten to avoid this. 7. Salty foods. The body's sodium levels may decrease after drinking alcohol. You can eat salty foods to correct it. For example, you can eat pickles. Get rid of hangover with this. 8. Carbohydrate foods. If you suffer from nausea due to a hangover, you can eat foods that are high in carbohydrates yet light. For example, you can include oatmeal, beans, brown rice, steamed vegetables, etc. For breakfast, it can help relieve symptoms associated with hangovers, such as fatigue and weakness. 9. Coffee or tea. Hangover sufferers can drink coffee or tea. Even more so, those who experience hangover headaches can drink this to make them feel better. Besides, drinks like coffee and tea also help increase the body's energy. However, caffeinated beverages are diuretics. You should also not forget that these can cause dehydration. 10. Supplements. Some supplements or some juices can treat hangovers. Medical experts say that there is no harm in taking certain supplements that can cure hangover symptoms. Chapatik Kali fruit juice should be taken before drinking alcohol. This can reduce hangover symptoms like nausea, dry mouth, and loss of appetite. Likewise, a drink made from red ginseng roots should be taken after drinking alcohol. Researchers say that this will significantly reduce the effects of hangovers. In addition, Korean pears can help cure hangover symptoms and lower blood alcohol levels. Avoid certain drinks. Some alcoholic drinks can cause a bad hangover. This means that some people may not like the taste or color of some wines. But even drinking something you don't like can cause a hangover. To avoid this, it is better to stay away from it. Most people turn to alcohol to recover from a hangover. This is the wrong way. Even if a hangover is cured by drinking again, the hangover will return once the addiction clears. The body needs to replace lost minerals and electrolytes. It has some great drinks. Drinking such drinks when you have a hangover will energize your body and relieve you from nausea and vomiting. 11. Coconut water. Coconut water is a great hangover drink. It is isotonic. This means that your body absorbs this drink much faster than other liquids, helping you to hydrate faster. It's also rich in electrolytes and minerals like potassium, which you may have lost while partying. Drink coconut water little by little when you wake up in the morning. 12. Paya soup. When you drink alcohol, your body loses important electrolytes. 13. Bone broth contains all of these electrolytes. Contains many nutrients. This soup is high in water, so you'll get the hydration you need. Experts recommend eggs as a hangover cure. But bone broth contains protein and healthy fat, making it more effective than eggs. 14. Carrot, ginger, and apple juice. Although it may seem like a strange combination, these three foods are fast, effective, and delicious hangover cures. This is great if you're struggling to get over a hangover. This drink's ingredients will rehydrate your body, but ginger is even more special because it can ease stomach aches and eliminate nausea. 15. Orange juice. Ever wonder why your skin doesn't age after a hangover? Vitamin C is one of the main vitamins depleted by alcohol. This vitamin strengthens the immune system and acts as an antioxidant. Vitamin C helps your body produce collagen. It keeps your skin looking young. Alcohol consumption lowers blood sugar. Drinking orange juice gives you the natural sugar you need to boost your energy. Eating a good breakfast, getting a good sleep at night, avoiding congener-rich drinks, and drinking in moderation are some of the ways to help avoid hangovers.